Forgot your Gmail password? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account step by step. Let's get started. Go to your browser and type account.google.com in the search bar, then hit enter. On the page that opens, click on Go to Google account in the upper right corner. Type in the Gmail address you want to recover and click on Next. Since you don't know the password, click on Try Another Way. On the next page, click on Try Another Way again. Google will now send a verification code to your recovery email address. Go to your recovery email, copy the code, and enter it on the page. Once verified, click on Update Password. Create a strong new password. Remember to mix letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Confirm your password to proceed. If prompted, you can set up a passkey for added security. If you're not ready for that, click Not Now. You've successfully recovered your Gmail account. Make sure to save your password securely to avoid repeating this process. Thank you for watching.